We'll guide you through how to adjust corner point in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the VSDC video editor application to open it on your computer. Select the blank project option to create a new project from scratch. Change the project title to How to Adjust Corner Point in VSDC. Next, adjust the project resolution according to your needs, or simply leave it at the default settings as an example. After that, change the background color to black so the shapes will be easier to see while editing. Click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. Next, click the Add Rectangle icon to insert a rectangle object into the project. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button to continue. As an example, draw a rectangle on the preview window and try adjusting the corners to create a trapezoid shape. After creating the rectangle, double-click it on the timeline to access its properties and editing options. You will notice that there are no starting points or corner points available because the rectangle object does not support direct corner point editing. Since this method cannot produce the desired result, delete the rectangle from the project and select the Free Shape option instead. Leave the object position settings at their default values once again, then click the OK button to add the new object. Click 4 times in the preview window to create 4 points and form a square shape manually. After creating the shape, make sure both the pen and brush colors are set to white so the object is clearly visible against the black background. On the timeline, double-click Free Shape 1 to open its editable points. You will now see Shape Point 1 through Shape Point 4 displayed on the timeline, allowing you to modify each corner individually. Adjust the shape points one by one until the square gradually becomes a trapezoid with the desired proportions. View the completed result to confirm that the corner points have been successfully adjusted.